salami, pepperoni, and we're gonna have some Black Forest ham, and then some provolone cheese. So this will make up the outside portion of our roll up. We're gonna add the mayo, banana peppers, shredded lettuce. This gives a really good crunch on the inside. And then we're gonna talk about adding a little dipping sauce for our roll-ups. So with that, we're gonna use apple cider vinegar, we're gonna use olive oil, which is what we have in here, and then an Italian seasoning. We're gonna start assembling our roll-ups, and what you wanna do with your protein is you wanna start with the biggest slice of protein that you have and go down to the smallest. Now we're gonna start working on the inside. So we're gonna take our mayo, and then next we're gonna add our ingredients to the inside. So we're gonna start with some shredded lettuce, banana pepper rings. Okay, and last, we're gonna roll these up. Keep in mind, you guys, these are great for a keto diet or a low carb diet. There's a lot of fat in these specific cuts of meat. Okay, so next we're gonna make our dipping sauce for this. And what you're gonna do is you're going to use 2 parts of the olive oil to 1 part of the apple cider vinegar, mix that together, and then basically add as much Italian seasoning as you like. You just grab one of your roll-ups, and you take the toothpick out and you dip it right in your sauce. So good and super filling, you guys.